Alright, William, got your car up in the air just to take a peek, and a couple other things I wanted to bring to your attention. The main one of which is the tires. You can see this wear pattern is lots of wear on the outside, not much on the inside. I can show you the right front where we are actually showing some cords. The light's actually too bright, but I can refocus that and show that definitely needing an alignment and a new set of tires to keep this vehicle safe, as the rest of these three tires are not far behind from the right front one of actually showing the metal parts. Something else to bring to your attention are these ball joint boots, these suspension boots. If I can get this. These are completely busted wide open. Protecting these joints would mean replacing these boots, and that's on both sides. The right side is a little bit healthier. I wouldn't say healthier, but it's in an earlier stage of falling apart than the right one. And I'll just look at my sheet. Yes, so we do a set of tires and alignment and repairing those boots, and that has to do with the underside of the car. Okay, William, now to show you a few more things on the top half of the car. The major one of which is your brake fluid. I don't know when the last time you've had it exchanged was, but I just wanted to show you, namely the sedimentary material. You can kind of see, I know the flashlight's a little bright, but it looks like there's coffee grounds basically sitting, you see, in the bottom of there. You can kind of see it a little better there. Which is just showing that the fluid has, probably exceeded its 30,000 mile interval by quite a lot to build up that kind of material in there. Another one, it looks like your oil change is due by mileage. We found that your power steering fluid looked a little bit dirty. That could be something you'd want to attend to. And last but not least, your spark plugs look like they have not been done, just since we had to pull them to get in there and check. So we would definitely recommend doing a tune-up as well. The last thing I want to mention is, I'm sure you've noticed just looking at these headlights, you can see the left one, or the right one, is significantly clearer than the left one. We actually have about an hour-long 4-step process involving different grains of sandpaper and compounds and rubbing materials and waxes that will get them shining almost like new. And it's much better than doing like a toothpaste method because it will last much longer, because we get it with so many different grains there. But like I say, I will be in touch with all these details over the phone shortly. Thanks.